Morning. Wanted to talk to you about making the best of stuff. I'll try not to rock too much. This is just going to be a quick video. Thinking, a lot of times we're in situations we don't care for, and it's hard to muddle through that sometimes. So, I'm going to give you a quick trick. I call it, well, at least, whatever situation you find yourself in that might be uncomfortable or undesirable, you can always go, well, at least, to an extent, obviously, but, well, at least I'm not hungry, or well, at least this, or well, at least that. You try to find some positive aspect of whatever you're going through and just go from there. It's pretty amazing how well that works. Well, at least. And that's really it. If you have a rough situation, find the thing that you can, well, at least, whatever might be happening, well, at least I have a car, or well, at least it works best if you have something related, maybe you don't have food that you like or whatever. Well, at least I have food. So, and we're going to get into the gratitude side of things pretty soon. But I just wanted to give you that quick tip. I'm Chad Rushing. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.